Okay, students, this is our physics class. This is module for general physics, physics 10-11 for universities first year course. And now let us see the outlines or the contents of this course one by one. And this course contains 7 chapters. The first one is the preliminaries, which include physical quantities and measurements. Physical quantities, SI unit, basic and derived quantities, or basic and derived units, conversion of units, conversion from one unit to another, maybe from kilogram to gram in case of mass, from meter to kilometer in case of distance, and others. The other one is uncertainty in measurement and the significant digits. Significant digits, vectors, composition and resolution, and vector representation, geometric methods, and vector addition, and parallelogram law of vector addition, components of vector, unit vector, finding unit vector are included as under the preliminaries or under the chapter 1. And the next chapter is kinematics and dynamics of particle. You know the kinematics and the dynamics of the particle. The kinematics in 1 and 2 dimensions. Under kinematics, we will see the displacement, velocity, and acceleration in 1 dimension and 2 dimension. Motion with constant acceleration, free fall motion, projectile motion are included under kinematics in 1 and 2 dimensions. And this is this is under kinematics. And the other is particle dynamics and planetary motions, concept of force as a measure of interaction, type of forces, Newton's laws of motion and applications, uniform circular motion, and Newton's laws of universal gravitation. These all are categorized under the dynamics. And the other is Kepler's laws, satellites, motion and weightlessness, and those are also categorized under the dynamics. And the other is work energy and linear momentum. Under this work energy and linear momentum, work and energy, power, linear momentum, collision, center of mass are included. And we will close chapter 2 at this point. Then we will start chapter 3, fluid mechanics, properties of bulk matter, density and pressure in static fluids, buoyant force and Archimedes principles, moving fluids and the Bernoulli equation in fluid dynamics and the Bernoulli equation by itself. These are categorized under fluid mechanics. And the next is chapter 4. Chapter 4 says heat and thermodynamics, and under this we will see the concept of temperature and the zeroth law of thermodynamics, thermal expansion, the concept of heat, work and internal energy, specific heat and latent heat, heat transfer mechanism, the first law of thermodynamics, also seen under chapter 4. And the next is chapter 5, oscillations, waves and optics, simple harmonic motion, periodic and oscillatory motion, displacement, velocity and acceleration in a simple harmonic motion, the simple pendulum, wave and its characteristics, resonance, the Doppler effect, image formation by T lens and the mirrors are we will learn all this under chapter 5, and the next is chapter 6, which is electromagnetism and electronics. Coulomb law and electric fields, electric potential, current, resistance, and Ohm's law, electric energy and power, equivalent resistance and the Kirchhoff's rule, magnetic field and the magnetic flux, electromagnetic induction, insulator, conductor and semiconductor, diode, transistors. The next is chapter 7, cross-cutting application of physics. You know, physics have many applications in different areas. Physics in agriculture and environment, physics in industries, physics in health science and medical imaging, physics and archaeology, application in earth and space science, application in power generation. So under this general physics course, we'll see this 7 chapters, and if we finish this, we will see the other courses, and you will comment us what you want. Thank you.